The Florida Department of Transportation would like to welcome you to the public hearing for the US 41 design project from Blackburn Point Road to McIntosh Road in Sarasota County. Tonight's public hearing will provide an overview on the proposed design for US 41 from Blackburn Point Road to McIntosh Road in Sarasota County. We'll discuss where you can view plans and the need to enhance this corridor to improve its function as a complete street with pathways for pedestrians, bicyclists, and drivers to be able to travel here safely. We will share information about the existing conditions, proposed improvements and modifications, and discuss access management to reduce the number of conflict points and improving driver predictability in the corridor. This public hearing is also a forum for you to provide input about the proposed improvements tonight, as well as to provide you with contact information to share your thoughts and concerns with the project team. The purpose of this public hearing is to share information with interested parties about the proposed design improvements. The public hearing also serves as an official forum, providing an opportunity for members of the public to express their opinions regarding the project. Public participation at this hearing is encouraged and solicited without regard to race, color, national origin, age, sex, religion, disability, or family status. This public hearing was advertised consistent with the federal and state requirements shown on the slide. Persons wishing to express their concerns about Title VI may do so by contacting either the FDOT Direct One office or the Tallahassee office of FDOT. This contact information is provided in the project brochure and on a sign displayed at this hearing. Draft project design plans are available for review at the hearing tonight and have been on public display at the Gulf Gate Public Library located at 7122 Curtis Avenue in Sarasota, and at the FDOT District 1 office located at 801 North Broadway Avenue in Bartow. The display period began on February 21st and will continue until March 26th of 2018. The need for the proposed improvements is based on several factors. To create a complete street and enhance this corridor with multimodal pathways so that it serves all users, cars, trucks, transit, pedestrian, and bicycles on US 41 as this community continues to grow. This project is Sarasota-Manatee County Metropolitan Planning Organization's #1 priority, multimodal special emphasis corridor project, which includes adding buffered bike lanes, filling in sidewalk gaps, and improving safety at signalized intersections and along other areas of the roadway. Currently, this corridor has full median openings at Holland Street, Webb Street, and Oak Street, which allows for left and right turns onto US 41. The project team has identified some access management concerns and has proposed improvements to promote safer driving conditions for people traveling through this corridor. In order to address the identified needs, FDOT has been coordinating with local stakeholders and preparing detailed engineering plans reflecting proposed improvements. Roadway and infrastructure needs will be addressed with the proposed improvements to enhance this corridor as a complete street that serves all modes of travel and improves the overall safety of traveling on US 41 from Blackburn Road to McIntosh Road. Improvements include resurfacing sections of the roadway and at signalized intersections, rebuilding northbound bridge over North Creek, removing continuous right turn lanes to accommodate the new 7-foot buffered bike lanes, widening and adding sod to the medians, and modifying some driveways and median openings. Bicycle and pedestrian mobility needs to be addressed between Bay Street and Washington Avenue by restriping and repurposing the existing continuous right turn lanes to accommodate 7-foot buffered bike lanes, with keyholes for bicycles to travel between the through and right turn lanes. The other right turn lanes through the remaining 1.8 miles of the project are being widened to accommodate buffered bike lanes that will provide a keyhole through the various intersections. Improvements also entail adding new sidewalks to fill the existing gaps in the sidewalk network and provide a continuous stretch of sidewalk, as well as adding and updating ADA ramps and updating pedestrian crossings. New transit shelter pads will be installed, and existing bus bays will be widened to enhance the movement of buses in and out of traffic. During the design and plans development process, the department conducts routine evaluations to ensure that any proposed changes meet current state and federal access management standards. Access management is the careful planning of the location, design, and operation of driveways, median openings, and street connections in order to provide access to development while preserving the safety and efficiency of the transportation system. In order to meet current safety and access standards, the following modifications will be made. The existing medians within Osprey will be rebuilt. The median opening at Webb Street will be narrowed to reduce conflict points. The median opening at Holland Street will be closed. Closing the median opening reduces the number of conflict points and improves driver predictability in the corridor. In addition, the proposed design will extend the southbound left turn lane at Bay Street to allow for additional space for vehicles. And each driveway throughout the project will be reevaluated and reconfigured to create a safer, more predictable environment for bicyclists and pedestrians. These improvements will assist bicyclists and pedestrians to have a better understanding of where the vehicles will be crossing their path. Today's public hearing is an opportunity for you to ask questions and offer comments on this project. Department representatives are available to provide more detailed information and answer questions. We welcome your oral or written comments. There are a number of ways to give us input and comments on the information presented today. At the conclusion of this presentation, our personnel will distribute speaker cards to those in the audience who have not received one and would like to make a statement. You may make a statement during the public comment portion of this public hearing. Speak one-on-one with the court reporter. You may complete the comment form provided in your brochure and drop it in one of the comment boxes today. You may mail or email written comments to the department at a later date. Comments postmarked by March 26 of 2018 will become part of the public hearing record. For further information on the project or to provide comments and suggestions, please contact FDOT Project Manager Justin Reck or the FDOT Public Involvement Consultant Maricel Vanegas. This concludes our presentation. We now offer you the opportunity to make a statement. Thank you for participating in tonight's public hearing.